Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. This greeting comes to you today from a Diana that is still not quite awake yet and the world's largest zit. So today, oh goodness, I woke up and I was just super tired, and I was just spending some time reading my Bible and just praying and stuff, and was trying to figure out what I wanted to film today. And I felt like God just wanted me to just show you guys a day in my life. It's not super exciting or super glamorous, but I just wanted to show you guys what it's like. So we're just gonna do that. I have not showered yet or anything today. Woke up like this. So now I'm gonna get a shower because I have to wash my hair today and do all that. So I'll see you in a bit. All right, so I'm back. I just washed my hair. Still a little damp, but I'm trying not to really touch it that much or do much with it because I'm trying to do some different methods that bring out my natural waves and stuff like that. Anyways, so today's video is just going to be kind of like a day in my life. Every day is different in my week, but usually on Mondays I typically film 2 videos and then I start to edit a video. But today I'm just going to focus on filming this video. I've been up since about 8 a.m. just kind of starting my day. I didn't really get the idea for this video until I was doing my devotions time, so that's why you kind of missed the morning portion. But I basically just woke up, ate some breakfast, did my devotions, washed my hair, and now I'm here. So a few things today that are really big on my list are I actually want to start setting up my filming space. As you guys know, in the past few videos, I've just kind of been sitting right behind my couch. So it hasn't been a super efficient setup. So I will show you guys the space in our new house that I'm going to be using for my filming space. It has a lot of potential and I'm really excited to set it up so that I will have a place to film that looks a little bit nicer than what you see now. I don't know if I'll get all of it set up today, but I want to try to get a good chunk done. I also have to clean up the house a little bit today and just do a few different tasks. And so I'm just gonna bring you guys with me and you're gonna join me in a day in my life. So first, I think I am just gonna put a little bit of makeup on. I really wanna cover up this mountain of a zit, but I know you guys have all been there. So I'm just gonna put on a little bit of makeup and then we'll get started with everything else. All right, so here's the final look. I just did something really simple, just threw some stuff on my face, and now I'm ready to get started. I will show you what the space currently looks like that I'm going to be transforming into my filming space, and then we'll just get right into it. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, right now this space is kind of a hot mess. We've just kind of put stuff back here, but originally this was just a bar area, and this is what I'm going to be transforming into my filming space. So here's our lovely Funko Pop collection, which will stay there because we love how that looks right there. But anyways, right now I've just got a bunch of clutter and a bunch of just random stuff laying about. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this back wall right here and kind of put a bunch of stuff on it that's like kind of like a really cute backdrop. And then I'm going to be putting my vanity right in this area so that that's where I can do some sit down videos and then just kind of make it a really cute space. So basically I just need to declutter and then start setting stuff up. So that's what I'm gonna do. So here is where we are currently at. I've pretty much cleared off all the countertops and wiped them down. Still have a few things over here, but I've gotten a lot of the cleaning stuff done and I just vacuumed the rug. So I'm done with the cleaning portion. I'm gonna go take a quick lunch break real quick and then I am going to start decorating. Also, hair update, it's dry now. For the first time today, I tried the Curly Girl method, and it's basically just a hair washing method where it caters to people who have wavy / curly hair. So I just use the same products I have, but I just tried this method, and holy moly, like, I knew I had natural waves, but very impressed. So that's the update on that. I'm gonna go eat, and I'll see you in a bit. Alright, so I just finished my lunch. Now I'm gonna get back to starting to decorate my filming area. I have a few things that I can use to organize my makeup, so I'm gonna go grab those, and I'm gonna start putting my makeup in those. So far I've just got a bunch of my lipsticks over here, a bunch of like my face products like primers and foundations, more lipsticks back here, and then I've just got some like blushes, eyebrow products, some highlighters in here, some more powders and highlighters, and then down here just some random like little eyeshadow palettes, another face powder, just random stuff like that. And so that's what I could fit into that. But I will need to find a way to organize the rest of it. So I'm just gonna work on cleaning up that space, and then I think that I'm gonna kind of wrap up on that for the day and then work on cleaning the rest of the house. Alright, so far I'm just really happy that I was able to get everything pretty much cleaned off today and just organized, and so I'm looking forward to being able to move my vanity down here and then being able to put some decorations up on the walls eventually. So now I'm gonna go and just clean the rest of the house, so I'm gonna take you with me. So now I have about an hour before Christian comes home from work. Usually this would be the point in the day where I would be sitting down editing a video because I would have already finished filming for the day, but since this is a day in the life video, I am not quite done filming yet. So on Mondays, Christian and I do what we like to call Marriage Monday, which for us, that's just setting aside a few hours in the evening to kind of have like either a date night out or a date night in, and just to be really intentional about pouring time into our marriage. And so this is just the time when we sit down and we'll communicate. We do our marriage journal. This is the marriage journal by Audrey and Jeremy Roloff. It's awesome, and we do it every single week on Mondays, and it just creates that time and space for us to communicate and just to grow our relationship together. So when I was sitting down doing my devotions today, God just kind of planted the idea in my head to do a little dinner and movie night. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up a cute little just blanket and candles and all that stuff in the living room so that I can have that little surprise waiting for him for Marriage Monday. All right, so Christian just texted me that he is on his way home. So I have this little set up. It's not that exciting, but I just have like a candle, and I have our marriage journal, and I have this thing that I got him for Valentine's Day that says, "You are my soulmate," and I just put a little blanket down. All right, so this is a really sad fruit and cheese plate that I made for us, but it's all we had. So I've got apple slices, cut up string cheese, strawberries, and Hershey Kisses in the middle. So I'm gonna go put this on the blanket so that is what we will snack on for, I guess, our first course. Not that there's courses because we're not that fancy tonight. As for dinner, I am not sure what we're having because I just realized that we don't have any chicken that is thawed right now in our fridge, and so that doesn't leave us with very many options. So we might DoorDash, I'm not sure, we'll see, but I will keep you guys updated for when he gets home. Welcome home. How was work?
It's good.
Welcome to my day in the life video. Set your stuff down and follow me. So, you know how we do Marriage Mondays, right? So when I was doing my devotions today, I was trying to figure out a way to make it cute, and God kind of gave me the idea for us to do a kind of like a date night in with like dinner and a movie. So I kind of set something up. Didn't make dinner yet because I don't know what to make, but
look how cute.
I made a little fruit and cheese tray.
Fruit, cheese, and chocolate.
Yes. What do you think?
That's so cute.
You excited?
Yeah.
It's my impromptu date night. I was thinking maybe DoorDash. This could be like our appetizer, course one. We're gonna eat dinner, whatever that is, and have a date night. So catch you later. Thanks. What did we get? Chipotle. All right, so let's eat some Chipotle while we finish watching Inside Out. Alright guys, so I am going to end the video here. It is almost 7 o'clock, but Christian had to run back to work real quick for just about an hour because there is some sort of event going on at our youth building, and so he had to be there. But I just thought I'd end the video here because we really don't have anything else going on tonight. So thank you guys so much for following along on this type of fun day in my life vlog type of video. I know it wasn't super crazy or anything like that. Today was just a day for me to just check some stuff off my list, and each day is different. Some days I have a ton going on. Like I said, most Mondays I film 2 videos in one and then I start editing, but today was this fun type of vlog video. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I had a fun time filming it. Alright, so let's move on to the encouragement and prayer portion of the video. So if you'd like to receive that, just stick around for a few extra minutes. Alright, I have tried to film this outro like a million times now, and I feel like I just keep going down a rabbit trail. So I'm just gonna pray for you guys because I love you, and I know that whenever I pray, God speaks through me, and so that's what I'm just gonna do. So if you guys would bow your heads with me, that would be amazing. Dear Heavenly Father, I just thank you for every single person watching. I thank you for who they are, and I thank you that you have made them beautiful and that you have made them in your image. God, I just thank you for this day, and I thank you that you are in control, that you are on the throne, And I just pray right now for whoever's watching that they would not compare themselves to anybody else, that they would not compare their lives to anybody else, that they would not compare the things that they see around them to what they have or what they don't have. God, I just pray right now for every single person that they would just start to come into alignment with who they are in you, and that they would just start to see that the world does not define them, God, and that your opinion is the only one that matters, God, because at the end of the day, you created them and you know every single thing about them. You know how many hairs are on their head, you know their favorite color, you know all the things that no human on this earth could ever know about them. So I just thank you for that. I pray, Lord, that you would just bless every single person so much, God. And I just pray that they would turn to you not only in the hard times, God, but in the good times. And I just thank you so much for each and every single one of them. I pray that you would bless their lives, and we just thank you for who you are. In Jesus' mighty name, amen. I think that I might have just been holding the camera at like a slant while I was praying, because it's not sitting on anything. I'm just holding it on this little tripod thing in my hands. So if that happened, I apologize. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I love every single one of you, even if I don't know you face to face, but just know that you are loved, and just remember, comparison kills, and just be who God created you to be. I love you guys so much, and I hope that you have a beautiful day. Bye.